When they have bank guarantees, every individual IATA accredited travel agent should have the authority to issue tickets depending upon the bank guarantees they have. So that is another thing we will work on, and I'm confident I can solve that issue as well. Besides these ticketing issues that I'm confident to tackle, there are other issues which I would not forget. Obviously, there are issues in tours as well, inbound and outbound, where a lot of things need to be addressed. So all these things will be addressed, and what I would like to say is the election manifesto, प्रतिबद्धता पत्रमा जे लेखेको छ हाम्रो, त्यसको चाहिँ नि तपाईहरुले हामीलाई जिताएर पठाउनु भएपछि 3 months quarterly interaction program we will address these issues. We will not forget these प्रतिबद्धता पत्रमा भएको पोइन्ट्सहरु. हामीले 3 महिनामा क्वार्टरली प्रोग्राम गर्दाखेरि त्यो इश्यूजहरुको स्टडी गरिसके हुन्छ. As soon as we get there, we will start working on it and we will address this issue. So the first quarterly meeting will be regarding the प्रतिबद्धता पत्र points that we have. Now talking about tourism industry at large, we'd like to present to you how we would work towards uplifting the image of Nepal and tourism internationally. As we all are aware, Nepal has so much of potential in tourism. We are so rich in culture and nature. Basically, we are gifted in tourism. But our human effort to enhance our potential is lacking in tourism industry. Whatever we are doing with tourism development and promotion, maybe it is not working to the fullest. Maybe we could do better than what we have been doing now. Maybe it is time that we look at it differently. Maybe it is time that we bring in changes so that we work it in such a way that it is effective and it shows us results. So that will be our main focus. Because if we continue on this track, maybe we would be falling out in the international market. We are spending so much on promotion, but have we even stopped and reviewed if these promotion spending that we are doing has been giving us results or not? We are just spending unlimitedly, but where is the result? How effective has the result been? That is something we really need to think about. In terms of tourism infrastructure and facilities, we are very far behind compared to international market. We need to develop our destination and production product on par with the international market. If we are promoting our destination in the international market, we need to realize that it is the competition that we are facing with the international market, not within Nepal. So it is very important and very important that we need to focus on how we uplift our image, how we promote our product, how we enhance our infrastructure and the facilities that we provide to our tourists. When we talk about 4 P's of marketing, product, price, place, and promotion, that is something we need to work on before we start our marketing strategy and where we target our market. So therefore, I would say, no promotion will be effective if our product is not right. And for us to make the product right, we need to make sure we are on par with our competitors. We also need to look at how and where we are priced. Where are we ranked? We need to focus on the place. In the sense here, it is the accessibility and connectivity that we are talking about our product. Unless and until we do not work these things right, we would not be able to get on the right track. Therefore, what we want to do once we get into NATA is we will want to come up with the Tourism Research Center so that we have information, we have data collection and analysis, and we plan according to what we get. We will want to get the feedback from the tourists so that we improve ourselves every time. And when we talk about uplifting our product, we need to make sure any infrastructure or facilities that we are building for tourism purposes has to be of international standard. It is of some simple things like, having a proper toilet clean and proper toilets in highways or sightseeing areas. Those are basic things things that are lacking. We need to look at the comfort of our tourists. If they are our customers, we need to look at it in such a way that they are happy with the services that we provide and the facilities that we provide. We are talking about tourist bus terminal for a long time, and I am happy to hear that it has been finalized. A place has been finalized for the tourist bus terminal. It is a great thing. But we need to make sure when we come up with that tourist bus terminal, it has to be permanent and it has to be of international standard again. Not like somewhere in the corner where the roads are bad and the facilities there are bad that even the tourists cannot come and go. So it has to be of international standard where we have information counters, where we have arrival, departure, screens, etc. In 2015, after the earthquake, in September, NATA organized a grant program. That was the time when we were there. And under the leadership of Mr. Dibi Lumbu and most of the teams here, we had organized a program in September. That time, our objective was to focus on China market, and therefore we had a Chinese celebrity as our brand ambassador, and we invited Chinese media for a fam trip. What we did was we signed an MOU with this celebrity, and for 1 year, and he would visit Nepal 3 or 4 times for the promotion purposes, where the media will give full coverage in China market. At that time, our target, we had set a target for the tourist arrival of about like double of what we had at that time. So the airlines and the hotels for the fam trip, they supported us fully, and they were willing to support us every time when that promotion program with the celebrity was going to be held. We also signed an MOU with Quatri, which was Chinese Outbound Tourism Research Institute, so that we could provide training for our members on how to prepare them for Chinese tourists. So for the entire program, we did not use any of NATA's fund. We raised funds from various sources. We did many programs from 2014 to 16, which the fund was raised from outside sources, and we made it a success. Unfortunately, after 4 months, our tenure was over, and the whole program with this Chinese market focus program, which we worked on, it was all discontinued. So it was very unfortunate and was quite a shame in the international market, or at least in China. So me, with my team, we are committed to go to NATA and perform. We don't want to just limit ourselves in words. We want to go there and perform. And we have been trying to communicate the same to you all. We need to work differently, like what I have been saying. So it is the changes which needs to be done in a different way. हामी यहाँ सबै उपस्थित हाम्रो यहाँ मेरो टिममा जो हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरू सबै डिफ्रेन्ट फिल्डबाट डिफ्रेन्ट एक्सपर्टिज लिएर चाहिँ आउनु भएको छ. हामीहरू प्रोफेसनल टिम हो, विदाउट एनी प्रेसर फ्रम आउटसाइड. We want to go to NATA. नाटामा गएर हामी कामै गर्ने र प्रोफेसनली काम गर्ने भनेर चाहिँ हामी अगाडि बढेको छौँ. र तपाईहरुले सबैले इन्डस्ट्रीमा गुनासो जुन गरिराख्नु भएको छ कि चाहिँ नि नाटामा काम भएन, नाटाले चाहिँ नि यो गर्न सकेन, उ गर्न सकेन, मार्केट चाहिँ नि इन्डस्ट्री हाम्रो टुरिज्म बिग्रिरहेको छ भन्ने कुरा नै सुनेर हामीले यही उठाउनको निम्ति हामी नाटामा गएको हो. We have no other self motive or interest or selfish व्यक्तिगत केही हाम्रो एजेन्डा छैन. हामी नाटामा कन्ट्रिब्युट गर्नको निम्ति हामी अगाडि बढ्दै छौँ. र चाहिँ नि मलाई लाग्छ तपाईहरुले यो बुझेर यहाँ इन्डस्ट्रीमा तपाईहरु सबैजना व्यवसायी हुनुहुन्छ, यहाँ व्यवसाय गरेर बसिराख्नु भएको छ. हाम्रो इन्डस्ट्रीको अवस्था कस्तो छ त्यो सबै तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ. र साच्चै नै हामीले केही चेन्जलाई कोसिस गर्ने हो कि भनेर चाहिँ नि तपाईहरुले सोच्नुहुन्छ कि भन्ने हामीलाई लागेको छ. किनभने हाम्रो टिम यहाँ अहिले साच्चै नै यहाँ एकदमै जरुरी अहिलेको अवस्थामा एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ कि हामीले चाहिँ नि सम चेन्जेस ल्याउनु एकदमै जरुरी छ. नभए हाम्रो टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्री विल गो इन भेन. हाम्रो इन्डस्ट्री टुरिज्म इन्डस्ट्रीमा जे जसो छ यसलाई अगाडि बढ्नलाई हामीले इफ वी डु नट ट्राई समथिङ एल्स डिफरेन्टली इट इज नट गोइङ टु वर्क आउट. सो आई एम trying to explain this to you all, and I hope you understand what we are trying to say. हामीले यो नाटाको 53 वर्षको इतिहास बोकेको एउटा पर्यटनको अग्रणी संस्था हो. तर हामी कति बलियो छ यो संस्था त्यो हामी सबैलाई थाहा छ, तपाईहरु आफैले विचार गर्नु होला। र यो संस्थालाई कति हामीले पावरफुल बनाएर हामीले कति चाहिँ नि हाम्रो मेम्बर्सको निम्ति र इन्डस्ट्रीको निम्ति काम गर्न सक्छौं, त्यो पनि हामीले विचार गरौं। र चाहिँ नि हामी